Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get 24-pounder cannons in Windrose. Now first things first, you have to have unlocked the Tortuga market on your map. Now currently the Tortuga market is all the way over here to the south. The first starting island for me is over here all the way to the northeast. Now if you are wondering where you can find Tortuga, thankfully there is a way. Over on your adventure, one of the very first beginner tutorial quests called How My Sea Adventure Began, the final objective would be to head over to the Tortuga market. Once you've reached this point on the quest, it will show a pin on your map of where Tortuga is. You just have to follow it to get inside Tortuga. But do keep in mind that when you reach the proximity of Tortuga, there is going to be a massive barrier surrounding the island. But we do have a video on how to enter inside Tortuga in the channel, so you might want to check it out. Now over on the port of the Tortuga market, you're going to find a specific provisioner. You're going to find the provisioner for the rogue buccaneers over here to the left after you reach the port right over there. Try to approach this provisioner and then trade with him. And inside here, you can see the plans for either 12-pounders or even the 24-pounders that we are looking for. Now all three of these 24-pounders have different effects of their own. For the tempered 24-pounders, it has a perk of after reloading and waiting 6 seconds before firing increases the neck volley's damage by 40%. For the ordered is that after reloading, hitting an enemy within 4 seconds increases reloading speed by 30% for 22 seconds. For the devastating one is that hitting a target with more than 50% of the volley applies raked effect for 25 seconds. All damage dealt to affected targets is increased by 10% and stacking up to 3 times. I would recommend for the devastating if you really want to do as much damage as you can. Now this will cost you at least 400 pieces of piastre, and at the very least you should have reached at least level 3 on the reputation for this faction. Now to make the 24-pounders, it is pretty cheap, at least 15 pieces of copper ingots and 7 pieces of wooden planks. And that's pretty much about it on how to get 24-pounder cannons in Windrose.